Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for loving it. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general reading for the month of June 2021. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I also suggest you to check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius all over the world. Okay, for the month of June 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start. Let's see what are the important messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for the month of June 2021. Some kind of wish fulfillment is going to come true for you, that is for sure. While doing meditation also, this card was coming again and again and again. So some kind of wish fulfillment, your wish is going to come true in the month of June. Okay, maybe that's the proposal you are wishing for is coming for you. So let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages. Okay, so this two also wants to come out, abundance and travel, but I'm not going to take it. So this two come out, and the first one is work. So in your work, in your career, new opportunities are going to come true. Okay, beautiful opportunities are coming in the month of work. And there is reunions. Okay, reunions are going to happen here in the month of June. So this is very beautiful energy, I can say that. What are the messages? Beautiful, lot of prosperity is coming in the month of June. Okay, then there is renewal. Some kind of renewal is going to happen in your life. This renewal can be of a job or a relationship or a career or anything. Okay, but renewal is going to happen in your life. Any kind of renewal is going to happen. Let me see more. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Okay. See, again this comes out for you. So lot of abundance and prosperity is going to come true for Aquarius in the month of June, and that's very beautiful, Aquarius. This is very beautiful energy. Okay, prosperity and abundance is coming for you in the month of June. Okay, new friendships, okay, are coming for you because you are working on yourself. Okay, you're becoming beautiful day by day, from inside, on the soul level, from the outside. You are working on yourself, you are healing, you're doing your inner work, you are working on your soul purpose, you're becoming beautiful day by day. So new friendships are coming for you in the month of June. Okay, friendships, renewal, that is going to come true. Okay, for the month of June. And there is freedom here. So you're feeling you're going to get your freedom in the month of June. Okay, money, abundance, prosperity, work, beautiful combination, beautiful energies, I can say that. Okay, money, opportunities, abundance, prosperity, okay, are coming in the month of June. So this is very beautiful energy, I can say that. Once you stay in higher frequencies, things are going to manifest according to you. And can you see, again, your wish is going to come true and the proposal is coming for you, and that's why there is reunion happening for you in the month of June. So whatever you are wishing for, you're wishing for some kind of proposal, so that proposal is going to come true in the month of June, and that's beautiful. So these are the messages from this deck, and that are very beautiful messages. Thank you. So let's see what are the messages from Work Your Light Oracle. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June? Please give me the messages. 5 messages for Aquarius. Okay. Beautiful. So the first message for you is mirror. Who and what is triggering you? So there is a mirroring effect which is happening on you, Aquarius. You need to find out who is triggering you, what is triggering you. But some kind of mirror is happening here. Someone is mirroring you, someone is triggering you. Okay, someone is there who is going to trigger you in the month of June. So you need to find out who is your mirror. Okay, who is your mirror here. There is great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits and soul tribe. So in the month of June, you're going to meet your soul tribes. You all are going to into the union. I told you friendships are coming for you. Okay, so these new friendships can be your soul tribe. Okay, they all are coming together for you in the month of June. So this is beautiful, I can say that. Then this is dance with life. Do something to change your life. Do something to change your energy. Okay, work on your creativity, Aquarius. Okay, dance, sing, paint, anything you can do it, but you need to change your energy. So do something so that you can change your energy. Then there is the Council of Light, divine orchestras, helpers in the subtle realms. So this is very powerful card. Okay, this is very powerful message for you, that the divine is with you. Can you see? You are not alone. They are helpers in the subtitle realms. They are helping you. They are angels which are there around you. They are divine helpers with you. Okay, they are helping you from the heaven. Okay, from the subtitle realms. They are helping you out. Okay, then there is the age of light. You have been training this for the lifetime, Aquarius. I always tell in my readings that we are in the golden age of Aquarius, and we are being an Aquarius. There is a soul purpose for you, that you have to spread the light. You are here to give the birth, okay, of new age, the age of light. Okay, the age of light, peace, love, harmony. So you are giving, the divine, the universe is giving you training for this for many lifetimes. Okay, so you are here for the birth of age of light. Okay, the age of light. So this is beautiful, help in this process. Okay, so beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see 5 messages from the Star Seed Oracle. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me 5 messages. 2 more messages for Aquarius. Okay. See, again the message is that same message. Your life is a canvas, artist, manifestation, creative, accountability. So dance with your life, do something. Your life is a canvas. 0909 was the recording reading time. This is an important message, that you can manifest anything. Okay, use the brush and do your painting. Okay, so this is very beautiful. You are the artist of your life. Your life is a canvas. Okay, so do the manifestation, creative accountability, do something to change your energy. There is the Seas of Mintakan, seeing potential, bringing unconsciousness to light. So many of you, your unconsciousness are coming towards light. So this is beautiful. Then there is cracked open rock bottom, surrender to the acme of life. Do your healing. Okay, maybe there are healing which is required for you. There is a cracked open here. but don't worry, you need to surrender to the process of the divine. Then there is activated earth power places, ley lines, trust where you are led. So trust where you are. You are exactly where you need to be. 10:10 is the recording reading time. You are exactly where you need to be. So this is beautiful. Then there is karmic relationships, Orion energy, polarity, soul growth and conflicts. Many of you can be dealing with the karmic relationships, but don't worry, karmic relationships are not bad, okay? Karmic relationships are your soul teachers. They help you out in your soul's growth, okay? They help you, they make you ready for the future, okay? For your twin flame, for your future soul plan, okay? They make you ready for that. They are your soul teacher. So this is beautiful. So maybe you are dealing with a karmic relationship here. So that was your messages from this deck, and that was very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the colors. Please give me one message. Create a balanced life. So you can use violet color. You need to create balanced here in your life, okay? Create balance in your life. You can use this color. So that's the message I'm getting here. This is beautiful message, I can say that. Okay, let's see 5 messages from scared travelers. And the messages which I was getting for you, these 2 messages was there, that lot of blessings are showering your life and you need to believe in the magic while doing meditation. These 2 messages was coming again and again, but let's see what are the messages. Maybe you can see rainbow around you. Lot of blessings are coming for you in the month of June. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June. Give me 5 messages for Aquarius for the month of June. Please give me the message. Give me 3 more messages for Aquarius. Believe in magic again. Okay, give me 1 more message for Aquarius. What is the one message? Okay, so you need to see the journey from a higher perspective. Get the big picture view from above, okay? See the things from a higher perspective. See the picture, see the big picture here. Again the same messages here. Journey by the moonlight. You need to believe in magic, okay? Enjoy the journey in wandering path. Believe in the magic and get the big picture. Focus on the different perspective from the higher perspective. Then there is rejuvenating rain and crossing bridges. You need to clear the past, heal the present, okay? Clear the past and heal the present. There was a message that there is a cracked open, so clear the past and heal the present, okay? And it's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. So you need to do your healing, clear out the clutter, clear out the past, okay? It's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. So these are the 5 messages from this deck, and these are beautiful messages. Okay, so let's see one message from the unicorn. What is the one message? One message for Aquarius. Please give me one message for the Aquarius. Honesty. Honesty will be ultimately be rewarded. Beautiful message, Aquarius, for you, okay? Your honesty will be rewarded, okay? That's the message I'm getting here for you. So this is beautiful message. Okay, so that was the message here. So let's see more messages from Scared Destiny. See, freedom is the again same message which I'm getting for you. Let's see more messages. Please give me the messages. Lot of blessings are coming for you in the month of June here. Can you see? Okay, blessings are coming for you. Beautiful. Lot of blessings are coming for you in the month of June. So let's see what are the messages. You need to keep your trust here, okay? What are the messages for Aquarius June 2021? What are the messages? Okay. You need to do the purification and release. See, again the same message is here. It's time to release, clear the past. See, same message is here. Clear the past and heal the present. Okay, release anything, let go anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, so you need to release anything which don't serve your highest good. It is the same message which I am getting here again for you, and which is an important message for you. Then there is purification, and there is healing cures. Okay, and there is it's time for healing, mending, releasing and connecting. See, same messages is here. So you need to do your healing and do your purification. Okay, release anything which don't serve your highest good. So you have the beautiful messages from this deck too, I can say that. Then there is leadership. So you have the leadership quality, Aquarius. Know yourself. Okay, so there is a leadership here, and you need to trust yourself. Okay, trust the divine, trust the universe, that beautiful blessings are coming for you. The change is coming for you. This is beautiful. Okay, this is very beautiful. Can you see how colorful, how bright, how beautiful this card is? This card is so beautiful. I'm in love with this card. There is a lot of beautiful colors which are indicated in this card. Okay, so change is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of June. Lot of blessings, lot of change are coming for you here. Can you see? So these are the messages from this deck. I love it. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from Archangel Oracle. Let's see what are the messages from Archangel Oracle for Aquarius, June 2021. Please give me the message. One message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. Okay. Archangel Raphael and Archangel Mariel. Be fair in all be fair in all situation. Resolve your conflicts. Okay, you need to be fair in all situations, and you need to resolve all conflicts. See the picture from a higher perspective. Then there is Archangel Mariel. Manifest for the highest good. Work with pure love. So this is very beautiful messages from the archangels. Okay, can you see these two messages? You can see. Okay, so these are the two messages from Archangel Mariel and Archangel Raphael. So thank you, archangels, for giving the messages. I love it. Okay, so let's see what is the message from Scared Creators. Give me one message for Aquarius for the month of June. What is the message? You are the light. Success and transformation, light in unexpected. You are the light. You are the light. You the night. Okay, 0440 was the recording reading time. So you are the light, Aquarius. Okay, you are the light. I always tell you that you are the light. You are here to give birth for age of light. This is the age of light. You are the light. Know yourself. You're going through a transformation, and success and transformation is coming for you. You're going on a beautiful transformation, and now your transformation is getting successful. It's going to become it's going to come on. You're becoming butterfly, I can say that. Okay, becoming the light, and there is light in the unexpected. Okay, so light in the expected, and you are the light. So beautiful message is here. You are the light, Aquarius. Know yourself. So this was your messages. Let's see messages from the fortune cookies. One message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. And that was very fast. Friendship. A friend needs your help. Your kindness and excellent counseling skills will put them back on track. So there is a friend who needs you, Aquarius. Okay, they need your help. So give them counseling. Excellent counseling skills will help them out. So there is a friendship here again. Same message. There is a friend which requires a help for you from you. Friendships, same message. So there is a friend who needs your help them out. Okay, friendship is the message which I'm getting for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from the star seeds. What is the message? One message. Okay, I got two for you. Surrender and the channel. Surrender your need to control the outcome. Just be with life within this present moment. Surrender to the divine trust that divine has the best plans for you. Okay, you need to surrender to the control of the result. So beautiful message. Then there is channel. You are a channel through which healing energy reaches the world. So you are the channel, okay, Aquarius. Through you, the healing energy reaches the world. So this is very beautiful message, wonderful message here. You have healing powers. You are the light, okay? You are the light. And with you, healing energy reaches the world. So this is beautiful message I'm getting here from the star seeds too. This is the wonderful message, I can say that. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the sweet dreams message. Give me one message. Fearlessness. I pay close attention to my heart and mind. I do not allow fear to distract me. Okay, so this is beautiful message that fear does not allow you, do not allow fear to distract you. So this is wonderful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from daily healing. One message for Aquarius. Okay, what is the daily healing message? Seek to enlarge your appreciation of the beauty of nature, animals and the humans. So this is wonderful message here which I'm getting here for you. Love it. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see one message from tea leaves. What is one message? Okay, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Diamond, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. So soon you're going to receive or you will give someone something very precious like a diamond. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here, and this is again and again saying me, so I'm going to take it. Lily, this is a spiritual love. Whatever love you are dealing with, that is your spiritual love here, and soon you are going to receive or giving a precious gift. Okay, so let's see one more message from the tea leaves. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Wow. Wow. Seriously, wow. Let me know in the comment sections with how many Aquarius you are going to get reconciliations with your divine counterpart in the month of June. Can you see pineapple reconciliations, reunions with your divine counterpart, with your twin flames, with your soulmate, with whom you are having the spiritual love. Okay, reconciliation is coming for you. Beautiful message, reunions, reconciliation. So let me know in the comment section. Okay, then there is money path. A path with money is waiting for you to find it. So can you see 10:10 was the recording reading time. Okay, so this is the beautiful message. Lot of abundance is waiting for you here. So these are the messages from the tea leaves. Thank you, tea leaves, for giving the message. Let's add one message from the magical fairies. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Birthday. Your desire is within reach. have faith as everything is working in your favor. Okay, have faith, have trust, everything is working in your favor here. Okay, trust in the divine plan, your desires are within reach, you need to keep the faith. So this is beautiful here. Then there is birthday. A significant birthday holds the answer to your question. So there is a significant birthday which holds the answer to your question. You know better your story, I don't know, but a significant birthday holds the answer to your question. So these are the messages from fairies. Thank you fairies for giving the message. Let's add one message from the butterflies. What is the message for Aquarius? Give me one message. Grief work. You are stronger than you know. So maybe you are grieving, you are feeling very sad or grief on something. You have to do your healing. That's why the healing is required for you, and you are much stronger than you know. Okay, Aquarius, grief work is required for you, and you are much stronger than you know. 1155 was the recording reading time. Okay, so that was your message which I was getting for you for the month of June. I hope I help you out in some manner. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. But the reading was very beautiful, very wonderful, I can say that. Lot of beautiful things are coming for you. You just need to keep faith, trust in the divine and their plans. You're not alone. There are subtitle powers, dreams which are helping you out. Many of you are going to get reconcile with your divine counterpart, whether it is a soulmate or a twin flame. 1 2 3 4 was the recording reading time which I saw right now. Okay, so you are the light. Okay, complete your healing, release and let go, do the purification, release anything which don't serve your highest good, let them go. Okay, so this was the message which I was getting for you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Okay, take care of yourself and see you soon.